also do a good job of getting the ball inside. A couple of easy lay-ins for the Cougars.
Wrightsell with the basketball, giving it off to Sears. Gives it off right side to Griffen. Rylan a pump fake and then a feed to Sears. He'll drive in, tough shot of the lane, got it to go, and Bama's on the board. Must have ruled Wrightsell's 3 is just a 2. It says 8-6 on the board. Driving in and getting hacked was the Tide's Rylan Griffen, stopping the clock with 16:32 to go.
Knocks down the floater, then gets the open 3 to go down in transition. Good to see Rylan Griffen get to the free throw line after that lower leg injury. Came back against the Florida Gators in the SEC tournament. Looked good physically, but a little rusty on both ends of the floor, having not played. Would love for him to get off to a good start.
Grant Nelson getting a breather. Nick Pringle in to replace him. The South Carolina native, the first big off the bench with 16:32 to go after the first one is made by Griffen. So too is the second. And up beyond the line, still got it to go. 25-24, Bama by 1. Here's Griffen with the basketball. Feeding it off. Sears, tough drive. Right-handed shot is good. They get it to go, and it's down to a 1-point Bama lead.
Boy, Charleston almost turned it over 2 or 3 times on that possession and ends up with an alley-oop.
Griffen, 3, bottom, catch and shoot from the top of the arc. He gets open, and Bama leads by 4. Another bank first 3. Pump fake, looks, throws it back outside to Griffen. Rylan working to his right, gives it back inside Pringle, dribbled it off his foot, handed it off to Nelson, gets mugged, and he will go to the line to shoot 2 shots. Let me add in for 2 on the putback. Bama throws a lob. Stevenson caught it underneath, puts it up with a left hand. No, but Burcevic is going to be called for a foul and shots at the rim to begin the second half. Burcevic going baseline, had it stripped and stolen away by Estrada. Aaron gets it front court. The lob, Pringle the flush. Actually, Griffen, excuse me. Rylan Griffen the flush. And here comes Rogers the other way with Bama up 15.
That was a great. Charleston was going to get a layup, and a great defensive play by Aaron Estrada, top 10 in the SEC in steals, was able to strip it, start the Bama fast break, and a beautiful alley-oop pass to Rylan Griffen for the dunk.
Spinning in the lane, left, then right, firing it up, missing it was Rogers. Rebounded Bama. Here comes the Tide. Rylan Griffen to the rack, lays it up and in, and Bama scoring at will now.
Rylan Griffen with the pump fake, got his man in the air, in the lane, hung in the air, and finished at the rim.
We'll chew on him in film study there. Here's Walters firing it back to Griffen. Back to Walters, corner 3. Knew that was going in. Sam Walters knocks home another bank first 3. Timeout Nate Oates, as Sam now has 9 points